Hello and happy autumn. This is Grateful Heart here with Leave No Trace Cooking Show. And today I'm going to show you what to do with Delicata squash, a really delicious side dish recipe for your dinner. And this is a Leave No Trace Cooking Show, so I'm going to tell you all the cool things about Delicata squash that reduce waste. Now you may be familiar with butternut squash, which is also a really great thing to roast or cook this time of year. But unlike butternut squash, which is a lot harder to cut, and we don't typically eat the skin on butternut squash, delicata squash, you can eat the whole thing. So I've already washed this really carefully with a brush in the sink, and now I'm just going to go ahead and cut it up. So hopefully you can see me here. I am just going to take a knife and cut it lengthwise. It's a lot easier to handle than, pumpkin or butternut squash. I need to get sharper knives, of course. That would help. Okay. Here we go. So great. So I just cut it open. And again, when you see the recipe, you can eat all of the skin in a delicata squash. We're going to roast it into little rings. And there's beautiful seeds in the center. And you can actually scrape these out, which I'm going to do, and use them and roast them just like you do pumpkin seeds. And they're a really great source of nutrition as well. So I'm going to scrape these out. And I usually let them dry overnight on parchment paper just to kind of let all the moisture get out of them. And then I roast them. So I'm just going to use in fact, I can do this right here. I'm going to take a grapefruit spoon and just quickly, I need to see if you can see better. Just going to quickly scrape all of the seeds into a little bowl. I want to just show you how easy it is to make this delicata squash. You won't even believe it. And it's really incredibly delicious. Kind of like an alternative to sweet potato fries, but actually way more flavorful. All right, so there's one. And the other half, I'm just scraping out all the seeds. Let's see what I'm doing here. Okay, scraping out all the seeds. Almost done. Okay, great. So I have a nice little dish full of seeds that I'm going to use another time. Okay. So now I have these two nice halves, and you won't believe how easy it is. I'm basically just going to cut them into little half moons. Little half moons, just like this. You can see. And then I'm going to just put them on a cookie sheet. This one should be cut a little more. I'm really excited for this recipe. Okay. All right. So I just put the little moons on the little half moons on a cookie sheet, just like this. And then I just have some nice olive oil. Let me just fix this so you can see me. I have some really nice olive oil that I put some salt in, and I'm just gonna drizzle just a little bit of olive oil over the squash. And then I'm just gonna roast it. I have the oven preheated to 425, and I'm just gonna roast this 10 minutes on each side. It should only take about 20 minutes, 25 minutes at 425. And I will post another video below you can check and to show you what it looks like. All right, so stay tuned. See you soon.